This may sound completely insane. Just when we thought we saw it all, people across the internet are eating nothing but sardines for 3 days straight in order to lose weight faster, kill cravings, and break through stubborn weight loss plateaus. But the question is this brilliant? Or is this just another dietary gimmick trending across the internet? In this video, I'm going to share with you the truth. But before we get started, I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and thanks for hanging out with me in today's video. When we look at this sardine fast, as it's called, essentially what you're doing for a short duration of time is eating nothing but sardines, typically 1 to 3 days. Now, this viral metabolic reset actually is designed to do some pretty important things in your body that offers a lot of healing, such as drive down your insulin, push your body into ketosis, reduce cravings, simplify your eating schedule, and just simplify your eating in general, along with create rapid weight loss. Now, when we look at this sardine fast, it's not really a fast. We could say, well, fasting is abstaining from something. Sure, you're abstaining from all these different foods, but in reality, when you're doing a quote-unquote sardine fast, you're really following something called an OSH diet, where you eat one single healthy food over the period of 1 to 7 days. So it's not a fast, it's an OSH diet. So let's call it what it is there. But why this one food has to be sardines is a great question. Many people look at this and they go, hey, I would totally do that. I love sardines. And other people go, I couldn't imagine. But why sardines? Well, the reason for this is because sardines are considered the perfect food for a good metabolic reset. When you look at sardines, there's virtually 0 carbs in them. There is a high amount of protein, lots of omega-3s, they're mineral rich, and then also they're very calorie controlled. If you're going to eat 1 can or 2 cans of these sardines, you're eating very few calories and it's very satiating, which puts you into a calorie deficit, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Now, when we look at some of the nutritional context of what is in a sardine, you're going to find that there's high amounts of EPA, DHA, and omega-3s. This is good for your brain, lowering inflammation. It's good for your eye health. It has so many benefits. You're also going to find that there's good amounts of calcium, selenium, vitamin D, B12, and protein. And quite frankly, the benefit of this is that it's much easier than doing straight fasting. So if you're just going to go on a fast and do no food for 3 days, it's easier to go and add in proteins and fats. You're going to feel much better during this time, and you're going to get a lot of the same benefits, such as going into ketosis. You're going to get the benefits of lowering your blood sugar. You're just going to be able to maybe make that fast a little bit more sustainable. Now, here's the thing that makes a sardine fast or any of these OSH diets so successful is that you're getting an immediate benefit from them, because many of us are dealing with digestive issues, autoimmune issues, and when you go and you take out the complexity of the Western industrial diet, which is very detrimental to our overall health, when you remove that complexity of all the processed foods and you go on a very restrictive diet, you get immediate benefits, right? You get the benefits of the digestive simplicity. Now your digestion can work better. You're going to get the benefit of calorie restriction and calorie simplicity. You're going to get high nutrient density from this one particular food. And then you're also going to get the therapeutic benefits of ketosis and lowering your blood sugar. And the fact is most people will do this and they will feel better. It's just like when a lot of people go on a carnivore diet, they say, I felt good, I felt better. It's because you took out the complexity of the Western industrial diet. So therefore, going on this sardine fast, you're going to feel pretty good, and it's going to offer you a lot of health benefits. So what would be the purpose of a sardine fast? Why would you do this? Why would you only eat sardines for 1 to 3 days? Well, there's about 4 main reasons. One is that you're going to rapidly lower your blood sugar and your insulin. Okay, we know that if we lower insulin, it allows for fat mobilization. We start losing weight. We start driving down inflammation. We start healing in our body. This is very important. Most people have a low-level insulin resistance occurring in their body. And this is people who would consider themselves pretty healthy or say that I don't have any health problems. Most people are suffering from low-level insulin resistance. This sardine fast will certainly help you become more insulin sensitive. Now, you're also going to break through weight loss plateaus. So if you're trying to lose weight and you're like, nothing will budge, nothing will move. So when you're following a sardine fast, you're going to consume, a couple cans of sardines per day, anywhere from 1 to 3. And what you'll find is that, first of all, you're going to put yourself in a calorie deficit, okay? So you're gonna have some calorie restriction there. That's gonna drive weight loss. The other thing is that you're gonna drop your carbs down to virtually zero. And then also, your appetite is going to change because you lowered your insulin, lowered your blood sugar, and you're going into the state of ketosis. You're going to find that you're not hungry all the time. And you'll find that you'll have a massive drop in weight, typically water weight initially, but you'll see your weight change very rapidly. Okay, so that's another reason that people love this. Now, the third reason is that you're going to kickstart ketosis. This is a great way to kickstart ketosis because you're essentially dropping your carbs down to zero, you're eating protein, and then you're eating high amounts of fat. So it's going to kill the cravings. It's going to really help drive you into ketosis and turn you into a fat burning machine. This is another great reason people love it. And another reason you're going to flush a lot of water weight out of your body. Now you're going to find too, and this is the fourth reason, is that you get inflammation reduction. Okay. One of the very, very common issues that most people face today is chronic inflammation. And so when you're eating these sardines, you're getting a huge omega-3 content. These omega-3s, as a result of lowering inflammation, are going to help reduce joint pain. You're going to feel less stiff. You're going to feel much better. Pain in general will diminish greatly. You'll find that your digestion is much more calmer because you pulled out all of the poor quality foods from the American industrial westernized diet that you've been following, and you simplified the food. Now your digestion can function much better. You're going to find that you have reduced puffiness in the body. You will find that your body feels good overall. Here's the thing, lowering inflammation makes you feel good. And if it takes just eating sardines for a few days, most of us could actually do that. So let's talk about how people actually follow this sardine fast, okay? Typically, the sardine fast is going to be eating anywhere from 1 to 3 cans of sardines per day. If you were to eat more of that, it's not necessarily wrong. We're not trying to starve ourselves here. We're just literally trying to eat only sardines. But it's typically in the range of 1 to 3 cans per day. Now, when you're picking out your sardines, you want to make sure that you're getting a good quality sardine, one which is in olive oil. If you have an opinion about the best quality sardines, I encourage you to drop it into the comments below for our viewers because everyone's going to be trying to find the good quality ones. But definitely sardines in olive oil. Now, during this time, you're going to drink lots of water. You can obviously drink electrolytes. If you're not familiar with a good quality fasting electrolyte, I'll put a link in the description below because it's important that you're using a quality electrolyte that doesn't have things like maltodextrin in it, which many of these trendy electrolytes in the health community do. So I'll put a link in the description. Now, here's the other thing too, is that one of the ways that you could actually make this diet maybe a little bit more palatable and easier for you is you could go and add something like eggs in it. You know, we've also heard of an egg fast. Now we're hearing of a sardine fast. The thing is that both of these foods have some commonalities. They're nutrient dense. They have a lot of benefits in the way of healthy fats and also protein. So if you wanted to do a sardine fast, you would not be wrong to do something like a sardine / egg fast over the course of a couple days. And that is making it more doable. Sometimes when you're eating just one food for the course of 3 days, it can be a little bit hard. And to be honest, like especially if you're eating something like sardines, it can be hard to palate at some point. So if you go between eggs and sardines, it's something that is easier to accomplish and most people like it a little bit better. However, like with many health topics, there's a lot of ways to do this and it's not an all or nothing approach. I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and if you like this video, you'll love this one next.